Looking for some carbon fiber hotness for your engine bay? These are the Password JDM carbon fiber strut top covers. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me, I have the Password JDM carbon fiber strut top covers. Got them right here. Let's go ahead and check them out because these things are pretty dang cool. Now these are gonna be specific for the 08 through 14 WRX and STI, but look at these beautiful things. Now, this is just to cover up your factory strut tops and your strut towers. And honestly, I think they do a killer job with this. I love how it kind of flows over, because it'd be a lot easier to make, like, you know, sharp bends and everything, but the fact that they kind of round this off, I think it gives the engine bay a really nice kind of flowing look to it. In fact, if you look at some cars, or some people have basically installed most of the Password JDM stuff in their engine bay, and it's like the sea of carbon fiber. It looks really freaking cool. But a couple of cool little details is the raised P here on the bubble, we'll call it a bubble, and then the Password JDM logo that's also raised in there. Just some nice little attention to detail things that I think is really cool. Of course, it comes with left and right. Beautiful carbon fiber weave through and through. Even on some of these like sharper bends, they manage to keep that weave nice and consistent, which is important because it's like the little attention to detail that I think is really nice on these pieces. And of course, they come UV coated, and that's gonna help protect the carbon fiber itself from discoloration or fading. Carbon fiber, unfortunately, likes to fade in the sunshine and UV radiation, and so Password JDM has coated these to help keep them looking nice, and they'll stay looking nice for a very long time. Now these bolt up using all factory hardware, which is really important because you don't want to be like drilling or anything like that, and so it just literally, like, you unbolt some things, slide this down, bolt it back on, and you're good to go. Very cool little piece. And it just looks absolutely cool. So if you're looking to, you know, make your engine bay pop, these Password JDM pieces are exactly what you want. Check them out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. We'll see you guys next time. I'm an elephant. I'm an elephant.